Hey everybody, if you're looking for a security camera system that has no monthly fees, is 4K, and has AI for free, I think this is a perfect setup for that. Now, this has many amazing features, and we're going to talk about it all in this video. I do want to disclose that I did receive this from the brand in exchange for this video, so I'm going to do a quick rundown of all the features. I'm going to show you how we installed it and how the app looks like, everything that you need to know before your purchase. So let's get into it. So I did want to run through some of the features that it does have, and it lays them all out nicely on the box here. So it has AI intelligent notification, AI intelligent search. That's a really cool one, because if you say you want to looking for a video of a person on a bike, for let's say, so you can just type in person on a bike and it'll show you, it'll bring you right to that video where if there's any people on bikes, or let's say dog, you want to search for videos of dog, you can do that. That's all AI powered and included with this without a subscription fee. Has an intelligent alarm. The cameras do have speakers built in, so you can talk to people. You can play an alarm, all of that, so that's really cool. Facial recognition, so it can remember people. Vehicle recognition, animal recognition, a lot of different features here. It has color night vision, which is a big feature as well, and two-way audio, and most importantly, these are waterproof, so obviously you can install them outside. Okay, first things first, let's do a quick unboxing of the product and show you what's inside. Here's everything that you receive inside the box. You have all your accessories, and you even get stickers for your home to show that you have 24-hour surveillance, the cameras themselves, and wow, they are built so nicely. I'm very surprised with the quality that these are built in. You have your base that connects to your router to store inside your house. This is what allows you to have no monthly fees, so really nice. You also get your solar panels here and the rest of everything that you would need for installation. The first things that you probably need to do is install the home base to your router. So we have Starlink here, connected the Ethernet cable to the router on the Starlink, and it's ready to go. You just add it on your app, and then you're gonna add the cameras from then on. One thing to note about the home base is that it does have built-in 32 gigabyte of storage. If you wanna add more storage, it can go up to like whatever terabyte hard drive you put in here. So it is expandable, so that's a super neat feature. Overall, this whole system was very easy to install. They guide you step by step with visuals, and they tell you exactly what to do, and I had zero hiccups. This was probably the easiest camera system to install. All right, second thing you need to do is actually add the cameras to the app as well before you put them up on your house. So that's what I'm gonna do here. All you do is you scan the QR code here on the back of your camera in the app, the Botslab app, and it will go through the setup process. Okay, so you will need to flip a switch here on the back to on, just like that, and then proceed on the app.
Thank you for using camera. Please open the app for network configuration. Waiting to receive
Just
network configuration information.
It shows you when the light is blinking. And we need to press the sync button on our home base station. So I went ahead and pressed the sync button on the home base station. It
Wi-Fi
is
connected.
connecting, and actually just
Device
told me
online.
that it is online and connected. So just like that, I press save, and it is added to your home network. It does have like a few things that you have to agree to here, and it shows you the next steps. So just like that. All right, we chose the first location for the first camera. You're gonna use your stickers that it comes with for the template and mount it to the flashing of your house. And we're gonna actually use a pro tip here. We're gonna use some silicone in the screws. That way no water is seeping through behind the siding of your home. Okay, we have the solar panel on there, we got the bracket on there, everything is nice and screwed in. We followed the installation manual. And the last step is to have the camera secured in there. So make sure you lock it correctly. There's arrows on the actual camera itself, and it shows you here how to lock and unlock it. So all you gotta do is just twist and lock, and that's it. And the camera is installed. You will make sure to connect the cable to the back there, and you're good to go. That's as easy as that. So since this is a 4-camera system, obviously you'll have to repeat those steps for the next cameras. One of the coolest features as well is the battery and solar combination. You don't have to run any electrical wires at all to these 4 cameras, so you can mount them literally anywhere. I'm going to go through and show you some features of the app here that you have access to. The app is very nicely designed and very easy to use. It shows you all 4 views right away. I labeled it to how I have the cameras installed. So for example, if you want to go to your front entrance, you would go to front. If you go to events, you see here with AI, it tells you exactly who's in the front and what's going on. So here it tells me a man and a woman are staying outdoors with a child and a dog. So I can click on that. It'll take me right to that video, and it'll show me right away what's going on at the front of the house. The dog and my family is out there. So really fast, really fluid, very impressive. All right, in this scene here, you see my family outside. It's automatically tracking every person, every vehicle. It's automatically tracking, and it switches between people if you need it to, and you can also automatically control it manually, just like that. And as you see, it's very reactive. All right, so I do want to showcase here the responsiveness of the app and the clarity of the camera. This is 4K. I can zoom in further if I needed to, and everything is just so crystal clear. And I like how it automatically with AI zooms in on the person that you need it to. If you need it to zoom in on a different person, you could do that as well. And it automatically tracks them like I already said, so that's super nice. There are a couple of things that I haven't mentioned yet, like the intelligent alarms, intelligent tracking, intelligent notifications are all very impressive and work flawlessly. The cameras also have built-in lights, so that's a neat feature as well. All right, so overall, I am very impressed with these cameras and the ease of installation, the ease of use, and the polished experience, the high quality video, audio, and all the cool features that it has. So if you're looking for something like this, that most importantly does not have monthly fees, I would highly recommend you checking these cameras out.